Welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna show you how to make an improvised compass with one of the tools on your Swiss Army knife. Be right back with you. Hang in there. Welcome back, everybody, and what we're going to do today, we're going to put you into a scenario to where all you have is your Swiss Army knife and you're out in the outdoors, you don't have a compass on you, or your compass is broken, and how can you determine north. So this is a very old skill, actually. A lot of people know it already, but we're going to just talk about it real quick. And so on the Swiss Army knife, okay, inside this little groove here, you have a pair of pliers, a pair of, this is a small micro, what's this thing called? Yeah, you have this right here. And it's made out of metal, okay, steel, in fact. And that's what you need. And what you also need is something wool that can build up a little bit of friction, okay, and can help magnetize the needle. If you don't have a needle, I have this right here. So let me show you how we're going to do it. Look here, on my shoes, I'm wearing, my white legs, I'm wearing a pair of wool socks. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take a leaf that I found, stick it in the puddle. I'm going to stroke this several times on my sock, okay, without having to take it off. If you have longer socks, it's much better. And then I'm going to stick the needle on here, okay? Now, as you see, it's starting to turn, okay? It's starting to turn. Probably doesn't have enough magnetism to it, but it actually is turning, okay? Little by little it's turning. And what we want to see is, with this right here, will it point north, okay? So we'll wait for it to turn some more. We know which direction is north according to my compass here. And we'll see how this works. And it stopped. It's pretty much in a general direction. It's probably, there's not much surface tension on this water here. You can see it's not really moving it, but it's giving you a good general direction of what north is, okay? It's off a little bit probably because it needs a little bit more friction on it, a little bit more swiping of the sock. We'll see if you can't get that. So you can't pull it off without submerging the whole thing. And we'll just strike it some more. And I'll set it on there straight too, so we'll strike it some more on the sock. Try to magnetize this one end right here with the wool. It helps do this. We'll set this on there pretty straight, and then we'll see if it starts to turn. It's starting to turn, I see it. Okay. Now we'll take our compass and we'll see how well this exercise works. Now, believe it or not, before I started filming this, it worked really well. So let's see how well this works. I've done this before with needles and stuff. They work really well. So it's turning. It's pointing in the direction of north. It definitely is, huh? It's getting there. There we go. So you see it does work. It's definitely pointing north. There we go. So it works. I hope you all understood that. Trying to get a direction of where north is, and what you can do is you can even use a needle. You can use something steel. A needle works really well. Use some wool or something that can you can stroke it on, a wool jacket, a wool sock, whatever. And this is a small wool sock I'm wearing actually. And then you can, as you see, I use the little pinchers. What do you call those things? Tweezers. The tweezers on my Swiss Army knife. It's the first time I've ever tried it with those, and actually worked pretty well. And it's still pointing north. It's all good. So it does work. It gives me a general direction of where north is at. And this actually is pointing to north, actually, which is the direction I'm hiking right here today. And so give it a try. Remember it, improvised compass. So talk to you later. Hope you all have a good day. Please subscribe. Share my channel with your friends and your enemies. Give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about it. And talk to you very soon. Take care of yourselves. Have a good weekend. Bye.